In this video, we will know about the fascinating facts about monkeys. Fascinating facts about monkeys, nature's playful pranksters. Monkeys, with their playful antics and remarkable intelligence, have captivated the human imagination for centuries. These primates exhibit a wide range of behaviors and characteristics, making them an intriguing subject of study and a source of endless fascination. We will explore some fascinating facts about monkeys that highlight their unique traits, social dynamics, and incredible adaptations. Diversity and distribution. Monkeys belong to the primate family, which includes both New World monkeys and Old World monkeys. There are over 260 known species of monkeys inhabiting various parts of the world, from tropical rainforests to arid savannas. New World monkeys are found in Central and South America, while Old World monkeys are distributed across Africa, Asia, and even Gibraltar in Europe. Intelligent pranksters. Monkeys are highly intelligent creatures, known for their problem-solving abilities and cognitive skills. Studies have shown that some species, such as capuchin monkeys, demonstrate impressive tool usage. They use rocks to crack open nuts, twigs to fish for termites, and leaves as makeshift umbrellas during rain showers. These resourceful primates exhibit an adaptable nature, continuously finding innovative solutions to challenges in their environment. Social structures. Monkeys are generally social animals, living in groups that vary in size and composition depending on the species. These social structures play a vital role in the survival of monkeys and provide a platform for complex social interactions. Many monkey species exhibit hierarchical systems, where dominant individuals hold positions of power within the group. This hierarchy helps maintain order and regulate access to resources such as food and mates. Communication and vocalizations. Monkeys possess a wide range of vocalizations, including calls, grunts, screams, and even unique vocal patterns specific to certain species. Vocalizations serve as a means of communication within the group, helping to convey messages related to danger, mating, or social bonding. Some monkeys also rely on non-verbal forms of communication, such as facial expressions, body postures, and gestures, to convey emotions and intentions. Parental care and relationships. Monkey species display a diverse range of parenting behaviors. In some cases, females take the primary responsibility for raising offspring, while males contribute to their care in others. The bond between mother and baby is often strong, with the young monkeys relying on their mothers for protection, nourishment, and learning important survival skills. Monkey infants are incredibly curious and playful, engaging in social interactions and learning from their peers as they grow. Ecological impact. Monkeys play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They contribute to seed dispersal by consuming fruits and then spreading the seeds through their feces, aiding in the regeneration of forests and promoting biodiversity. Additionally, monkeys serve as prey for various predators, helping to maintain the delicate balance within their respective ecosystems. Threats and conservation. Unfortunately, many monkey species face numerous threats to their survival. Habitat loss due to deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, and hunting for bushmeat are among the major challenges they confront. Several organizations and conservation efforts are dedicated to protecting these charismatic creatures and their habitats, raising awareness about their plight and implementing conservation measures to ensure their long-term survival. Conclusion. Monkeys are remarkable creatures, exhibiting intelligence, adaptability, and a remarkable array of social behaviors. Their playful nature, combined with their important ecological roles, makes them an essential part of our natural world. By understanding and appreciating these fascinating facts about monkeys, we can foster a deeper respect for these incredible animals and work towards their conservation, ensuring a future where monkeys continue to swing through the treetops, delighting us with their joyful presence.